Yeah, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chimobi Wabuko. I'm a participant in the MMM Nigeria community and also a student in the MMM Guidance School. I'm here this afternoon to talk about the ideology of MMM, how MMM works, the rules of MMM, and the benefits of MMM. First and foremost, we need to understand what MMM is. And I'll go this way to say that MMM is a community of mutual financial aid and donation exchange. It is a community where ordinary people help one another selflessly financially. Now, the objective of MMM, the goal, the aim, and the purpose of MMM is to bring about a fair and a just financial relations among people of the world. This goal has not changed. Rather, it is the tactics, towards achieving this goal that has changed over the years. You know, MMM is poised at defeating poverty by way of increasing the purchasing power of members, participants by 30% per month. And of course, we know that this world we are in is unjust financially. The world is evil. The world is bad financially. The world we are in is the world of money. It is a world where the few economically powerful people, the rich people, the few, they control the wealth of the world, you know, and they keep the poor people in abject poverty, in penury, you know. So this exactly is what MMM is out to correct, and thereby bringing about a balance, a fairness in the financial relations among people of the world. This is the ideology of MMM. MMM is not a bank. It is not a community where people get rich quickly, you know. It is not. Rather, it is a community that has come to uplift the poor, to give financial freedom to people of the world. Like we said, MMM is a community where individuals, ordinary people help one another financially. You know, that exactly is the ideology of MMM. And we move over to how MMM works. Very simple. We should understand that there are three parties involved here. We have the first party, which is the the giver. We have the receiver party, and we have in the middle the system MMM. So we should also know that MMM is a closed system, and in this closed system there is a unique visual currency that is used, and this visual currency is what we call Mavro. Now, an interested individual is expected to register in order to participate in the community. Once the individual has registered, the individual will also provide his bank account details with which he will receive financial help as the case is, you know. Now, we must understand that the community is a community of mutual financial aid. It is not a community where we make money, so to speak. Yes, we make money, but you provide help financially to one party. At another time, another individual provide helps to you. So once this individual has registered and has provided his bank account details electronically, you know the individual will go ahead to make a declaration, make his intention known, his intention to provide help in any amount of money, let's say 50,000 naira, Now, once that is done, the system will immediately credit into the account of this individual, you know, 50,000 mavros. Now, while the money of this individual, the real money of this individual in terms of naira is in the individual's pocket, the mavro is already growing by 1% every day. Now, after some time, let's say a week or two, the system will now locate an individual at the other side, the receiver, who needs help, and will connect this individual who has provided help of 50,000 naira to this individual who needs help of 50,000 naira. So, once the two are connected, it is the job of the system to do that. Now, this individual who has provided help of 50,000 naira will be supplied the bank account details which the other individual at the point of registration had provided. So this individual who is providing the help of 50,000 naira will go ahead and make the payment into the bank account of the receiving party. Once that is done, he comes up, he uploads his POP, his proof of payment, as evidence that payment has been made, and that ends his own part. Now, the individual who has received the money will go ahead to confirm receipt of payment of the 50,000 naira. Now, 30 days after, from the moment this individual who has declared his intention of providing help in the amount of 50,000 naira, from that very first day he made the declaration, 30 days after, he would come and move to the other side to get help. We call that GH. So he would declare that he needs help of 65,000 naira. Of course, remember, the 50,000 naira initial deposit he made has been growing by 1% every day. So 1% in 30 days, 30%, that will give us 30% of 50,000 naira, which is 15,000 naira. And add that to the 50,000 naira, that will give us 65,000 naira. So the individual will come and make a request to get help of the 65,000 naira. And of course, the system will immediately locate who has the 65,000 naira at the other side to provide help. And the system matches the two parties. So the one who needs help of 65,000 naira will be matched with the one who has 65,000 naira to provide help for. So, and that is how it works. So simple as I've explained. Now, we move over to the rules of MMM. Very simple. We have been advised to participate with our spare money in MMM. Now, spare money is the money that is not so critical to us, the money we are not in need of immediately. So, we are advised to participate with spare money in this system. We are also advised not to have multiple accounts, in the system. Another rule in MMM is that we should not change or alter our bank details, email address, password. Before we can alter or change any of these, we have to get the approval, the authority from support to allow us do so. Otherwise, we are advised not to change any of these I have mentioned above. Another rule in MMM is that fake POP is not allowed. Do not put fake proof of payment, because some people will not make payment and they go ahead to put something that is fake that they have made payment. We are advised not to do so in the system. Now we move over to the benefits of MMM, and the benefits of MMM comes by way of bonuses. Now we have referral bonuses, In other words, if I, for example, I am introducing someone into the community. Now, for introducing that person into the community, I get 10% of whatever the person PH, whatever amount the person PH. Let's say the person PH 20,000 naira. For bringing that person who has PH 20,000 naira, I get 10% of 20,000 naira, which is 2,000 naira. We also have guiders bonuses, like leadership bonuses. We have video bonuses for all of that. If, for example, you have received help of an amount of money, you need to express your appreciation. You need to show your appreciation. Some will go by way of doing video like I'm doing now, and they get bonus for that also. Now, also another bonus benefit in MMM is the program that MMM carries out. We remember last year 2016, MMM went to the IDPs, the internally displaced persons. They went to their camp and donated some food items to them, cash to them, not only to the IDPs. They do that even to the hospitals, the those who have no mother, who have no father, the orphanages. They go there and they also do the same. In MMM also, there is also the program which is the guiders MMM school, like the one I'm attending right now. It is also an opportunity where people learn more, know more about MMM, and how MMM is evolving, how MMM is growing. Not only that, MMM is also growing, in leaps and in bounds, and it has come to help people out of this financial quagmire, out of this oppression financially here and there. All of these are the benefits that MMM has brought to us, the people, Nigerians. Now, all of these things that I've said, I believe I have been able to explain to us, within this shortest possible time, the ideology of MMM, the how MMM works, the rules of MMM, and the benefits of MMM. Thank you for listening to me. Once again, my name is Chimobi Nwabuko. Do have a lovely day. Thank you very much.